Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not seen you guys in I don't know how long. It's probably been over 6 months. It's been a while. I think my last video was in November of last year or December. It was right around Christmas time. So yeah, I have not seen you guys in so freaking long. I do want to apologize. I decided to take a break from YouTube because I was letting the negative comments just really get to my head. And then, a long story short, I just kept putting it off and putting it off, and here we are. It's what, August? It's August and I am in a new place. I have so much to catch you guys up on, so I figured I would just do kind of like a update video to let you know where I've been at, what I've been doing, and yeah. So if you aren't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram up on the screen as well. I am still super active on there, so if you've been following me on there, you already know probably all of this, but if you just watch me on YouTube, then lots of this is going to be new. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? So first and foremost, I am pregnant. Yep. Weird, huh? I am currently, how far along am I? I am 26 weeks pregnant. I'm gonna sit back down. I wanted to give you guys a better view of this little belly here. Here we are, 26 weeks pregnant with this little guy. I'm so excited. Super unexpected. We were not planning this at all, but we could not be more excited for this little baby boy that we are going to have. So I found out, actually I took a test, I think in March, because I was about a week, 2 weeks late with my period. We weren't trying to prevent it. We weren't doing anything. We just said when it happens, it happens. And yeah, here we are. We have a baby boy growing. He's so healthy. He has the longest little legs. But yeah, so I am actually in his room. We moved. This freaking video is gonna be all over the place. I feel like I have so much to tell you guys. Yeah, this is his nursery. You can probably see his little baby clothes hanging up there, along with all of our freaking shit that we have yet to put away because we just moved in here 2 weeks ago. I think this is our second week here. So last time you saw, we were in our little apartment. Loved it there. It just wasn't enough space, especially with baby on the way. We did not have enough room for him. He would have not been able to have a nursery. So my mom actually moved in with her boyfriend, and she was nice enough to let us rent her house. So if you guys have been watching my videos from the very beginning and you remember my basement videos, yeah, we're back in this house, except this time I'm upstairs. Everything has been redone. Everything's been painted. There's hardwood floors. It's just so nice in here. So we are super grateful to be able to have a home to raise our little boy in. We're not sure how long we're gonna stay here, for a year for sure, but we're not sure if we want to buy the house, if we want to move and buy our own house. So I guess we'll just kind of see from there. That is where we're at. We were at our last apartment for probably a year and a half, and we just moved in here, like I said, about 2 weeks ago. My little brother does live with us. He is actually in the basement now, so he's here with us. But other than that, it's just us, our little family, and our little baby. And we couldn't be more excited. Yeah, so it'll be way more easier to do videos and vlog because there's just so much more room and space here and places for me to film without having to have like Chase awkwardly like in the living room trying to be quiet. So it'll just be so much better overall. Okay, so jumping back to being pregnant, so random, I know. But like I said, if you've been following me on Instagram, you already know all of this. From the second, like as soon as we announced it, I've been like updating you guys on there with like everything, posting pictures of my belly growing and everything, and it's just been so crazy to just see it grow over these last few months. So yeah, definitely some big news. I know a lot of people are probably going to be wondering if I am still doing keto while pregnant. I would like to say I am, but I'm more low carb rather than like strict keto. I've been craving so much fruit, so I've been letting myself eat fruit and like those kind of foods that I've been craving rather than like limiting myself and not allowing myself to have it. But other than that, I've been mostly low carb. The first trimester was really hard. I was really sick. I didn't throw up, which is great, but I was super nauseous. I couldn't really eat anything. A lot of stuff made me sick. So the first like 12 weeks, I was eating mostly carbs. And then after that, I've been able to stay on the lower carb side. I crave a lot of like steak. It's so weird. Like steak salads, a lot of meat. Yeah, so definitely staying away from most of the carbs, but if we're out at dinner and I want some chips or just like whatever, I let myself have it. I'm not being super strict. Yeah, definitely low carb, but not super strict keto, which I'm fine with. I know some people think it's not healthy for the baby, but my baby is thriving and super freaking healthy. So you just do whatever works best for you and I'll do what works best for me. I've been able to work out my entire pregnancy, which has been amazing. That was one thing I was worried about. Obviously, with being super sick, the first few weeks, I wasn't working out as much as I'd like. But once I started to feel better, I was able to slowly start like walking every morning and then adding in weightlifting again. And now I am fully back into working out about 4 to 5 times a week, which is great. It makes me feel so much better. My due date is November 10th. So what is that, 3 months? 3 months from now? It's so weird. Yes, this is our first. You guys probably already know that, but we're so excited. So obviously his room is like very far from done. We need a crib, all of his stuff. I need to find a place for our storage, but we're just so excited. What else? I think the last video you saw me in, I had long dark hair. I chopped it and I am going back blonde. We are in the process of that. So that is why my hair is a different color. Yeah, I don't know. It's been so long and I honestly am like a little disappointed in myself that I've waited this long to even film a video for you guys. But social media just took such a toll on me, and like Instagram, I don't get that much hate. Like everybody is so nice. I hardly ever get a mean message, and it's more positive over there. But on YouTube, even without like uploading, I still like every day I get a rude comment on a past video. People are just mean on YouTube. So it just took a toll on me and I just felt like I wanted to step back for a little bit. Kind of lost motivation and like creativity too. So yeah, after a much needed break, I feel 100 times better. I was a little iffy coming on here being pregnant now because mom shamers are real and they are not nice people. I don't know why they feel the need to put their 2 cents in with everything, but they do. I just said, you know what, screw it, whatever. Whoever has anything to say negative about what I'm doing and my choices, let that be, but I'm just gonna enjoy my pregnancy and I want to document everything with you guys. Obviously, we're a little ways away into the pregnancy, but from here on out, I want to start filming what I eat in a day videos again, like my workouts that I'm doing while pregnant, just kind of show you everything. So I'm super excited to be back. Again, I'm sorry it's been forever, but I'm here to stay. And yeah, so let me know down below what kind of videos you guys want to see. Obviously things are going to be a bit different now and they won't be the exact same as they were before. I'm not tracking calories or macros or anything, but I do want to keep showing you like what I'm eating, give you meal ideas. If you are pregnant too and you want to do a lower carb diet, love to show you what I do and maybe help you out. So let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I am super excited to be back. And yeah, like I said before, if you aren't already subscribed, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!